Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be giving y'all a eyebrow tutorial. Real simple. I don't be doing that much to my brows. So I'm using a dip brow in the color medium, and I'm just starting with my arch and bringing my arch out a little bit more. So now I'm on the bottom half of my brow, and I'm just gonna draw a straight line. After that, then I draw on my tail. From this point on, I'ma just fill in my brows now. I like my tail to be darker than the front half of my eyebrow. And y'all just want to see how I fill this in. So y'all see what I was talking about when I said I brung the bottom line a little bit further out, just so I could, get in there and blend it out so it won't look so boxy at the top. I don't want my eyebrows to look like a box. I'm doing the exact same thing to this eyebrow that I did to the other one. I'm not going to talk through this part. I might just let y'all watch it through. So now it's time to shape. So I'm just putting some of my Becca Concealer already on my eye. And I'm also going to do that with my NYX Concealer. I put my NYX Concealer on the tail of my brow because that's a little bit lighter than my matching concealer. And I wanted it to be like a little bright back there, like a highlight. So now I'm beginning to shape. I'm really just following the line that I made and just making it look sharper. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing I did to my other brow. And that is it for my eyebrow tutorial. Thank you for all you guys' support. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that post notification bell for every time I post every Wednesday and Friday.